If we could give ourselves some practice evaluating expressions that have two different variables in them. So let's see if we can evaluate the expression 7j plus 5 minus 8k when j is equal to 0.5 and k is equal to 0.25. So why don't you try to pause the video and evaluate this first before we work through it together. Alright, so if we want to evaluate this thing, everywhere where we see a j, we want to replace it with a 0.5, and everywhere we see a k, we want to replace it with a 0.25. So let's do that. This is going to be 7 times, and instead of j, I'm going to put a 0.5 in there, and then we have plus 5 minus 8 times k, and k we're saying is 0.25. 0.25. So what is this going to be equal to? So if I were to take, and I can color code this, 7 times 0.5, half of 7, that's going to be 3 and a half, 3.5. Then I have plus 5, and then I'm going to subtract. I am subtracting 8 times 0.25. 0.25, this is 1/4. I could rewrite this if I want. 0.25, that's the same thing as 1/4. 8 times 1/4, or another way to think about it is 8 divided by 4 is going to be equal to 2. So this whole thing over here is going to be equal to 2. So it's going to be minus, we have this minus out here, so minus 2. And what is this going to be? Well, let's think about it. 3.5 plus 5 is 8.5, minus 2 is going to be 6.5. So this is equal to this is equal to 6.5. Let's do another one of these. All right. And just like before, try to work through it on your own before we do it together. All right, now let's do it together. So over here I have this expression 0.1m plus 8 minus 12n when m is equal to 30 and n is equal to 1/4. All right, so everywhere I see an m, I want to replace with a 30, and everywhere I see an n, I want to replace with a 1/4. So this is going to be equal to 0.1 times m is 30, times 30 plus 8 minus 12 times n, where n is 1/4. n is 1/4. So what is 1/10? This right over here, 0.1, that's the same thing as 1/10 of 30. Well, 1/10 of 30, that's going to be 3. So this part is 3. 3 plus 8, and then we're going to have minus. Well, what is 12 times 1/4? That's going to be 12/4, or 12 divided by 4, which is going to be equal to 3. And now when we evaluate this, so that is equal to this, we have 3 plus 8 minus 3. Well, 3's are going to, you have a positive 3, and then you're going to subtract 3, and you're just going to be left with an 8. And you're done. This expression, when m is equal to 30 and n is equal to 1/4, is equal to 8.
Assalomu alaykum. Mana bu oldingi haftalik darsga munosabatlik bir mashqga 8 olaman m bilan n qo'shman m. Agar m 8 tang bo'lsa, n 2 tang bo'lsa, shu tanglim necha tang bo'ldi deydi. Buni bir ishlab bersam. Hozir 8 olaman m bilan n qo'shman m. Hozir m ning o'rniga 8 ni qo'ysak, 8 m ning o'rniga 8, endi n ning o'rniga 2 ni qo'ysak, 8 bilan 2. Endi boshqalarini yozsak, endi men qo'shiman m ning o'rniga 8 ni qo'ysak, shunlar 8 ni 2 ga bo'lsak necha 4. Shunlar bu tanlama 8 olaman 4 qo'shiman 8 tang oldu. 8 ni 4 nasak necha 4. Shunlarni ayirib yozsak, 4 ga 8 ni qo'shsak, 8 ni 4 nasak 4, endi 8 bilan pastga tushadi, 4 qo'shma 8 tang necha 12. Endi men yozib boqay 12 deb. To'g'ri ishladingiz deydi. Yaxshi. Endi yana men yangi darsga kelsak, how to evaluate expressions in two variables with decimal and fractions. Bunun uyg'urisi kasrsiz aralashgan ikki nominal bo'lib hisoblash. Kasrsiz degani decimal and fractions. Decimal degani manda butun chikiti bor. Kasrsiz fractions degani manda va o'nlik kasr va u fractions. O'tirsiz quvaq. Buni qanday deydi? Fractions. Kasrsan decimal o'nlik kasr, to'g'ri. Decimal o'nlik kasr bilan kasrsan. Hozir mana bu ikki mashq qilgan ishlasak mana 7J qo'shib 5 olaman 8K. Mushuni J ning o'rniga 0.5, K ning o'rniga 0.25. Mana ikkilisi hozir o'nlik kasr. Mushuni ishlab baqinglar dedi. Hozir mana bu men so'zlayotgan to'xtatib qo'yib o'zinglar ishlab baqsanglar bo'ldi. To'xtatib qo'yib keyin davomlashtirsanlar men hozir ishlab beray. Hozir masalan J ning o'rniga 0.5 ni qo'ysak 7 o'tirish ko'paytirish belgisi bor. Ko'paytiraman 0.5 qo'shiman 5 olaman 8 ko'paytiraman 0.25 7 0.5 ko'paysak necha 3.5 qo'shiman 5 olaman 8 0.25 ga 0.25 degan 4dan 1 4dan 1 dan 8 ko'paysak necha masalan 4dan 1 degan masalan bir odam bir nonning 4dan 1 yesa 4 ko'plab bir parchasini yegan bo'ldi. Shunda olganda 4 odam bir nonni yesa 8 parchasini 2 odam yedi. Shunda 2. Harakatlashib ketdimi ya? 3.5 ga 5 ni qo'shsak 8.5 2 ni olsak 6.5 Mana shu javobi. Ma video qarsoqlami shu. 0.5. Ana mana ikkinchi misol. Buni to'xtatib qo'yib o'zinglar ishlab baqsanglar bo'ldi. 0. Ikkinchi misol 0.1 m qo'shib 8 olaman 12 n. Agar m 30 ga n 4dan 1 ga teng bo'lsa, mushu hisoblash natijaga teng bo'ldi dedi. 0.1 m meyat ko'paytirish belgisi bor. 0.1 ko'paytiraman 30 qo'shiman 8 olaman 12 n o'rniga 4dan 1 ni qo'ysak unda bo'ldi. 0.1 ni 30 ko'paysak necha 3 qo'shiman 8 12 ni 4dan 1 ko'paysak necha 3 shular plus shular minus bu ikkisi qisqarib ketib eng oxirida 8 qoladi. 8 ikkinchi misolning javobi 8 chiqdi qarsanglar.
Then we'll equal to 3. And now when we evaluate this, so that is equal to this, you're just going to be left with. When m is equal to 30 and m is equal to 1/4.
Ya, mana bu shunchalik bugungi darsimda xayr.